Love the diner. We are in Red Oak 2. It is 2 because the original Red Oak, which was old town, basically became a ghost town sometime after World War II. Everyone started moving out to the bigger cities and stuff. And one person who was born in the original Red Oak, Lowell Davis, an artist, had moved away for many years, and when he came back in the 70s, he found out that his town was gone. However, some of the original buildings still were standing, still existed. He purchased those buildings and he moved them onto this farmland that he owned just northeast of Carthage, Missouri. Now, some of these buildings also, over the years, he purchased from other surrounding ghost towns and put them here and basically made a little town with all these old buildings. And he called it Red Oak 2. Mr. Davis passed away in November 2020. He was 83 years old. His wife Rose was by his side. So far, the little town that he built up is still here. It is free to come and visit. And it's self-guided tours. And if you are trying to find this place, it's not real hard to get to off of, wow, off of I-49, just north of Carthage. But you can put in Google Maps, you can just GPS Red Oak and then Roman numeral 2, and it pulls it right up. There are people living here, actually. Some of the people, I guess they had old, kind of had their own old little buildings that they wanted to put on the property. That's my understanding. And then see, like, there's someone's home back there who probably owns the chicken that kind of scared me a second ago. A rooster, whatever that was. And they do have an art gallery which features his paintings and things. I'm not going to go in there and show you those, because if you want to see those, you can just come check them out yourself. I don't know what that says. What's the sign say? It's a child care center for 50 cents an hour. That's funny. Like that one. So now we're getting into some more of the actual residential, the people that live here, houses. There is an old cemetery here. Look at that cool plane back there. That is one massive weeping willow tree. How cute is this little house? I need to walk right up beside it here. It's got its own little marshy, swampy area. You get to walk into this one. Oh, that is so cool. I could live in this, minus the whatever's flying around up there. It looks like bees. The old train depot. That might be a residence, but it is an old house. That's a cool car. It's a Nash. Check out those huge sunflowers. I don't know if I've ever seen one that big. Look at that right there. Good grief. There's a dog. Hopefully he stays over there. Church. And I do believe they still have church services here on Sundays. Well, it looks like they're doing a little work on the filling station. Red Oak General Store. They do accept donations here. Old blacksmith shop. We're back to the beginning.